Back to work, lover boy. Here comes trouble.
What do I do?
Just give him the bird.
What are you, crazy?
Just give him the bird. We'll be fine.
No way, man. You do not pay me enough.
I'll do it. Is this what you came here for? The bird. It's perfect. Looking for the perfect gift this holiday season? Something different. Unique. Special.
Boy, do we have the gift for you. What if I told you you could win the girl of your dreams?
The girl of your dreams?
Yes, Brian, the girl of your dreams.
How can you do that?
Simple. Just give him the ring.
A ring?
No. Brian, this isn't any ordinary ring.
What's so special about this ring?
You like poultry, Brian?
I guess.
I told you could talk to birds.
Talk to birds?
Uh-huh, that's what I said.
But how does it work?
Allow me to demonstrate. So, who's the best English teacher in all the land?
That's amazing.
Let me tell you, man, it's the real deal. Everyone in the street is raving about it.
Excuse me, miss, over here. Come here. Yes, you. How do you... Here, what's your name, please?
Kara?
Kara, how do you feel about the bird ring?
I love the bird ring. I was talking to my robins this morning. The bird's ring? Oh my gosh, I was talking to my Thanksgiving dinner last night in Jersey.
The hippies? They love it. So when you're looking for that special gift this holiday season, give them the bird.
Turn
it off. I don't want to say this.
Say what?
Jeez, don't be
Like
recording.
girl of your dreams. Or something like that. I don't know.
What if I told you you could create a king of birds?
And one of the girls at the same time.
What do you say? What so?